What happens when you take a legendary supercar nameplate, throw away everything people expected, and replace it with something that fundamentally challenged everything we thought we knew about extreme performance? You get the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto. And today on Car Review CR, we're going to find out if Lamborghini's first production hybrid V12 is genuinely brilliant or just a magnificent contradiction. Let's start with the numbers because they genuinely matter here. The 2026 Revuelto delivers 1001 combined horsepower from a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 working alongside 3 electric motors, 2 at the front axle and 1 integrated at the rear transmission. Yahoo! Lamborghini claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.5 seconds, and the top speed reaches 217 miles per hour. Win check. That's not just fast. That's genuinely in the conversation with the fastest production cars ever built on planet Earth. The pricing immediately tells you who Lamborghini is talking to. The Lamborghini Revuelto price starts at approximately $608,358 MSRP in 2026, with most configured examples selling between $680,000 and $750,000, and limited edition fully bespoke builds exceeding $800,000. Premier Auto Miami. For that serious money, you're not just getting raw performance, you're buying into Lamborghini's unlimited ad personam customization program where no two customer cars need to be identical. The carbon monofuselage chassis delivers torsional stiffness above 40,000 Newton meters per degree. Yahoo! Which is aerospace-level engineering wrapped in a production supercar. Lamborghini's LDVI 2.0 torque vectoring system manages all that power across 13 drive modes, ranging from the fully electric Cita setting for zero-emission city driving to the full-output Corsa track mode. Yahoo! This is where the hybrid system genuinely makes sense. You can actually drive this in the city electrically, then unleash all 1001 horses on a closed course. The exterior design is quintessential Lamborghini aggression. The sculpted carbon fiber body features sharp aerodynamic lines, a wide stance, and signature scissor doors that announce Lamborghini presence from blocks away. Lambo Charlotte. There's nothing subtle about this vehicle, and honestly, there shouldn't be. Here's my honest take on the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto. This is Lamborghini proving that hybrid technology doesn't have to mean compromise when you have the engineering resources and the courage to refuse it. The Revuelto is loud, aggressive, unnecessarily powerful, and completely impractical for anything resembling normal driving. It's also one of the most honest supercars ever built. It knows exactly what it is and never apologizes for it. That's your car review CR breakdown on the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto. Drop a comment. Is this the future of supercars or a beautiful contradiction? Subscribe and catch you in the next one.